Welcome to the comprehensive guide on Field Pro Advanced in ServiceTitan. Let's explore how to use Field Pro Advanced on the mobile side and how it can benefit your business. Field Pro Advanced uses AI to analyze customer interactions, provide coaching examples, and simplify training. Atlas in the Field Pro Mobile gives technicians instant, reliable access to equipment records. Using Field Pro, your team can close more deals, boost revenue, and save hours with AI-powered coaching. Automatic recordings replace ride-alongs, while scorecard boards and insights help managers teach techs to improve their skills and improve every day. The AI assistant guides techs through problems in real time, helping them investigate equipment problems in seconds. In this video, we will cover 3 key areas including how to review pre-job briefs, show how to start a recording, and lastly, show how to use Atlas to find answers to your questions regarding equipment, use calculators and diagnostic tests. To get started with Field Pro Advanced, you will need to have your account set up by an admin user from the office side. Contact your admin for more details. Field Pro Advanced is available in both the ServiceTitan mobile and Field mobile apps. In this video, we'll focus on using it within the Field mobile app. From the job page in the Field mobile app, once you dispatch to your assigned job, you will be prompted to the job brief window. Here, you are asked to listen to the job brief, or you can listen to it later on. For this example, let's tap play job brief. An audio overview will play about the customer and previous job details based on historical customer data. This helps you understand details about the job you dispatched to, any previous history related to the customer location, details on previous jobs performed at the location so you can maximize your opportunity. Once you listen to the job brief and want to arrive at the job location, tap Arrive and select Yes when prompted on the Arrive Now window. A banner shows on top of your screen. Tap it to provide consent for the app to start to record the conversation. You can play the content message to the customer so they can listen to the terms and provide the consent. Once the customer approves, you can tap Consent Received. A red banner shows confirming the start of the recording. If you want to pause or end the recording, tap the red recording banner and select the desired option. Once you've finished a job and close out of the job, the recording will automatically be saved in the recording library and can be reviewed by a manager or an admin from the office. Now, let's move on to see how you can use Atlas in the Field Pro Mobile. Atlas is an AI agent who you can chat with to view equipment manuals, guides, spec sheets, and diagrams right from the app. Ask questions regarding equipment information, get troubleshooting step-by-step guidance, run diagnostic tests, and perform common calculations to help you get the job done. From the Job page, tap Ask Atlas and follow the prompts. There are 3 available options that you can select from: Information in ServiceTitan, Equipment Information, and Troubleshooting. You could select Information in ServiceTitan if you want to get customer information, location information, job history, invoices, estimates, equipment, memberships, and service agreements without having to call the office. Type in your question or select one of the presented options that you want to know. You can ask questions like, who was the last tech out on this location? Or, what are the most common issues at this property? Once you get your answer, tap back to get to the other 2 options. Select Equipment Information if you want to view equipment documents and ask questions for equipment units with quick, cited answers on mobile. Here, you can either select from the job location's installed equipment or manually type in the equipment model number. You only need to type in 4 characters to see results. You can also add the manufacturer and model line to narrow results. Once you add all the necessary information, tap Submit to start asking questions to Atlas regarding the equipment. Here we can view all the documentation available for the selected model of equipment by clicking View PDS. This includes user manuals, install guides, specs, wiring diagrams, and more, and technicians can view the paths directly in the app. Instead of reading through long, boring manuals, you can simply type your question and Atlas will find the answer in the documentation for you. For example, you could ask, what size heat kit do I need? Or, how do I run this at high speed? Review the answer provided by Atlas. Each response includes cited sources, so you can verify where the information came from. When you're done, tap back to return to the main menu. Now, if you want to diagnose equipment issues, identify likely causes, and follow step-by-step repair guidance, select Troubleshooting. Select the equipment from the location's equipment list or by typing the model number. Examples of the question can be, why would my blower not start? Or, how can I diagnose a bad compressor valve? Type in your question and tap Send to review the troubleshooting steps. Atlas will provide you with step-by-step guidance on how to troubleshoot the issues with the equipment in question. Lastly, let's see how you can use the calculator and diagnostic test feature with Atlas. The Calculators and Diagnostic Test feature helps you run diagnostic tests and perform common AVAC calculations covering airflow, pressure, and other common diagnostic needs. Tap the Calculators and Diagnostic Test right under Troubleshooting. Select one of the available options including Airflow Calculator, Superkeyed, Airflow Diagnostic, or other option from a list. Fill in the requested fields such as return air, supply air, and nominal tons. Tap Submit and review the results. In this video, you've learned how to use Field Pro in ServiceTitan to capture and analyze customer interactions, get AI-driven insights on customers, location, job details, and guide them through equipment troubleshooting in real time. We also walked through how Atlas provides instant access to equipment documents and source-cited answers in the field, helping techs work faster, reduce office calls, and boost revenue. Now that you know how Field Pro analyzes customer interactions, delivers equipment information and troubleshooting guides, and uses AI-powered insights to improve technician performance. Be sure to explore other videos in the Academy and resources in the knowledge base for more use cases and workflows to help you get the most out of ServiceTitan.